Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I'm so excited to share with you what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for February. So in February, we're doing Easter treats. This is the Welcome Easter treat class. It's 5 treats, and there's 2 ways that you can take this class. You can take this class with the products and the kits. So if you want the easy button, all of your cardstock, ribbon, embellishments, designer series paper, some tools included, open the box and start crafting. Or if you live in the Chicago area and you want to join me for class, the class option 1 with the products is for you. This class is $46. You'll make 5 treats and receive the full spool of sheer linen mint macaron ribbon, the full package of Best Dressed 6x6 designer series paper, and the Parisian Flourish embossing folder. Now that's $46 if you can take it here in my Rolling Meadows home studio on February 24th, or if you can pick it up in Rolling Meadows after February 24th. If you require shipping, the class will be $54 and include USPS priority shipping service. All right, so that's option number 1. It's with everything that you see here. To register for class, you need to email Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com for a PayPal link to pay for your class here or to go. Now, if you have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator that you love, you have all the Stampin' Up! Products that you could possibly need, maybe you're a demonstrator yourself, or if you live outside of the U.S. and I can't supply your Stampin' Up! Products, there are some options for you to take the class online only. Now, option number 1 is to take the class online only in the online classroom. Now, keep in mind that option number 1 with the products and the kits includes option number 2. It includes the online classroom, which is a $20 value. So if you'd like to take the class online, step-by-step video tutorials are included for each of the 5 projects, and a printable, downloadable project sheet is also included for each of the 5 projects. On the project sheet, you'll find full color photos, step-by-step written instructions, measurements, and supply lists. That option for just the online classroom is $20, and you can use the PayPal button right on this page. Now, if you have a Stampin' Up! Wish list that's pretty huge and it's celebration time, and you'd like to place a Stampin' Up! Order, MarissaAlvarez.StampinUp.net, place your Stampin' Up! Order of $50 or more before tax and shipping. You'll receive a free celebration item and the online classroom for free. What do you have to do? MarissaAlvarez.StampinUp.net, $50 or more before tax and shipping. Use this host code, and I will automatically send you the online classroom for free, my gift to you. In the Easter Treats class, whether you take it here with me or to go, you'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 amazing Easter treats. If you got any questions about the class, email Marissa at KitchenTableStamper, or to check out more information, buzz over to KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the online classroom.